There are two pulley bearings on each of your bandsaw's blade pulleys. The bearings allow the blade pulleys to rotate on the pulley shafts. The bearings are durable needle bearings, but eventually they will fail and need to be replaced. When worn, the blade pulleys will have play in them and might wobble side to side. Replacing the pulley bearings is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the drive pulley. You'll need an arbor press to remove the bearings from the drive pulley. I'll use a socket that's just slightly smaller than the bearings, place that over the bearing races, and then press both bearings out one side. Now I can install the new bearings. Place the bearing over the drive pulley. I've switched to a socket that's larger than the opening now, and I'll use the flat side of the socket to press the bearing in place. Flip the pulley over and do the second bearing. This bearing fits down into a recess, so I'll need to switch back to the first socket, the one that just is slightly smaller than the race, and carefully press this down until it's flush with the bottom of that shoulder. Like that. Now I can reinstall the drive pulley. I need to line up these tabs on the back with the notches in the sprocket. It helps to have the sprocket centered as much as you can on the spindle before installing the drive pulley. There we go. Now I can secure it with the screws. This plastic washer goes in the center, along with the metal washer and screw. And now you know how to install the drive pulley bearings on your bandsaw.